So here's the bike. Came in this giant box. Sitting on a crate. They just had a dolly, like a pallet dolly to carry this over. Let's open this thing up. Box. That's so cool. Let's see. Okay, got some pieces down there. There's the wheel for the front. The handlebars just attach on right there. There's the headlight, and the handlebars are strapped on there. Let's get this thing together. So we've got the cardboard off. Here's the fork. It's sitting down on these pegs, it looks like. I'll have to take that bolt out to get them out. And the wheel. Sure looks clean and nice. Here's the fender. Exhaust, it's all held in by these wires. The only damage I found so far is here. And on the fender, the front fender back here. Let's see, there's a little scrape right here. And a little scrape right there. But overall, for shipping, not too bad as far as it shipped. So you start by taking off all these screws. A 14mm on the outside, and just use the adjustable wrench on the inside. Then you take out these. There we go. Now we can try to remove the cage. So we've got the handlebars on. Super simple. Here's the gauges right here. It's got 0.3 miles on it. Let's get the headlight on. We do that just by these couple little mounting brackets right here. We've got those bolts in. The rubber grommets there. Bolt in over here. So the headlight's all in. Got the fender on. There's just 4 screws under here. It's not painted underneath, which sucks, but it's alright. It looks okay from above, I guess. Time to get that wheel on. Well, we got it off the crate. It's the metal brackets it was sitting on. We got the front tire on.
Fluids in it? Like brake fluid?
Yeah, there's brake fluid in there. There's braking oil, so it's only good for like 100 miles. We have to change it and put some real oil in there. But it's got
gas too, right?
No, there's no gas in it.
Okay, good.
So we'll have to put some gas in there. But everything was basically hooked up. Yeah, it's got a disc brake in the front and the back. So that's nice. We'll have to put some gas in it and start it up. We got the battery in there. Put the cover back on it a little bit. But we've got life. Yes. Headlights on. Let's test the blinkers. There's that horrible beep. Why does it do that? We were warned about this in the videos, but he's dancing. Here's the tail light. See if the brake switch works. Yep. Yep. It's working. That's awesome. No fires. I don't smell any smoke or anything. All right. Just get to get some gasoline in here now. But right. It started right up. Like I just turned on the choke and it just started right up. Now it does smoke a little bit. No, it just started like right up. I just turned on the choke and electric start just it started like a second push. Like, it's incredible. But it's actually pretty quiet.